Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox GoPro Hero 9 Black, which I use for my moto vlog and the ride videos. So basically it is a different kind of video which is going to be on my channel today. So after doing a lot of research and seeing the reviews, I came to the final conclusion that I'm going to go for this GoPro Hero 9 Black, since this is one of the best action cameras available in the market. So without wasting any more time, let's see what all is there in this GoPro Hero 9 Black. So it is having 20 megapixel camera, 5K 30, 4K 60 fps, 33 feet water resistant, 1080p live streaming, and there will be a GoPro official product India logo or badge, you can say, and everything, all the accessories and all are there in the box already. So the price mentioned on the box is 49,500, but obviously I bought it from Amazon and I've got some good deal over there. So it is the 20 megapixel camera, 5K 30, 4K 60. It is having 33 feet water resistant, voice control, slow motion, and time wrap 3.0, 1080p live streaming, super photo mode, raw, webcam mode, touchscreen, and the hyper smooth 3.0, which makes the life easy. How much ever the road is jerky or bad, the video will be always smooth. That is the best part of the GoPros. So there is some paperwork given with GoPro box which you will be getting. So let's open it and see what's going to be inside the box. So this is my first action camera. So obviously I've told before that I've done a lot of research and seen the reviews and then came to the conclusion for this GoPro Hero 9. Earlier the box was not that sturdy, but now it is much better, which helps and protects the GoPro and the accessories whenever you will be traveling for long distances. Let's open it and see what all is going to be there inside the box. I'm very excited. So obviously there are some paperworks. This is subscribe to GoPro pamphlet, but there is no subscription available in India, which is a sad part. I hope GoPro will start the subscription for Indian people as well, because there is lots and lots of features with the subscription, and some stickers which we can stick it on helmet or bike wherever you need or want to. They have given some instruction how to mount the camera using the accessories provided, and the booklet, which I don't think so anybody reads, but obviously you should read this particular thing because it helps. So in this box you will be getting this USB type C to type A cable and this battery. This is one of the biggest battery available in GoPros. Now in GoPro 10 also is the same battery. So this is a 1700 mAh battery, which gives almost 1.5 to 2 hours battery backup if you are recording in 1080p. How if the resolution increases, the battery backup decreases, but if suppose you are recording in 2.7K, it gives around 1.5 hours. Let's see the GoPro now. Oh, nice. It feels so sturdy. Let's remove the plastic and see how it is actual feeling. This is the power button, this is the shutter button. Yeah. So this is the front main camera. Just remove the plastic which is there. in the front screen, which is very helpful now if you are doing moto vlogging or any simple vlog. You can see whatever is going on. No need of stopping the video and seeing whether everything is in frame or not. And the back screen. And the clips to mount it on the accessory. It feels very solid, means you can feel it by holding only that it is a very much strong build. This is the detachable camera, the front screen, as I told before, where you can see while recording whatever is going on, what is there in the frame. This is the back touch screen, the shutter button on the top, and the power button on the left side. This is the mic in the front they have given, and there is a mic on the top as well. And this is the battery compartment. So to open the battery, you have to just pull it down and pull it outside. The battery, you have to just align it wherever the front screen is, then the GoPro return, just put it inside and it will slide inside smoothly. Just beside the battery compartment, you will see there is a place for memory card as well. While buying this camera, I purchased the memory card as well. It is the SanDisk Extreme A2 version. So because it is having a high read and write speed, I thought it will be better for the high resolution videos to record. So just place the memory card over there, push it, there will be a click sound, and done. Again press the compartment lid and it will be closed. So let's power it on first time and see. Oh, nice. So first time when you'll start the GoPro, it will tell you to install few updates and do the setup. So I'll just do these things. Now we have to install the app in the mobile and then connect to it. So I'll show you how to do all that thing. Just keep it aside. I'll take my phone. You have to search in Play Store or App Store the GoPro. There will be an app. Just install the app and follow the instruction. So when first time you'll connect your camera to the phone, it will basically ask you to update the camera. Just follow the instruction given on the app and it will be done very easily. So the download started. Multiple times the camera will switch off and switch on, and at last a message will come, update complete, and your GoPro will be ready to start shooting. I'll just tell basic thing. There is a camera mode, in the photo will be there is a video, and there is a time-lapse mode. So there are several modes given in photo. Suppose you click on photo, there will be photo, live burst, night photos, which we can manipulate according to our choice. And also there is a plus symbol given where you can make your custom settings according to the situation which is preferred by you. I'll make a separate video where I'll explain all the features and the points for videos and photos, so please stay tuned. So this was a quick unboxing of GoPro Hero 9 Black. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel and comment below to let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much again. Stay tuned for more such videos. Have a great day ahead. Bye.